breaking news coming in at this point. IT raids have happened at the Eagleton Resort. That's right. IT raids have occurred at Eagleton Resort. Remember, this is the same resort where nearly 40 MLAs have been holed up by the Congress just ahead of the Rajya Sabha elections. While the Congress was completely scared and confused about these MLAs not wanting to switch over to the BJP, these MLAs were rushed to Eagleton Resort, and now the breaking we are getting is that IT raids have been carried out at Eagleton Resort. Let's go across to our South Bureau Chief, Pooja Prasanna, who joins us on the phone line. Pooja, what's the latest you have on this?
Well, we are given to understand that early this morning there was a raid by a central team of IT officials. These officials are from Delhi, not the local IT department, and they have raided the resort, which is about 20-25 kilometers away from Bangalore. Which is exactly where the 44 MLAs have been holed up for the last 3 to 4 days. The backgrounder is that they suspected that large amounts of money, cash, was in fact stashed at this particular location. And this comes in the background of, just on the 19th of this month, the state government was to issue a notice to this particular resort to recover either 77 acres of land or give about 997 crores to the state government for encroaching government land. And that has been going on for several years now. The case has been pending even in front of Supreme Court. And finally, on the 19th of this month, there was a notice given for recovery of either land or money. And just 2 days after that, we saw that these Congress MLAs were taken to that particular resort, a coincidence that many believe has something a little more to do with this particular recovery. And today we see that IT, the Central Department, has raided. We are waiting more details as to what was recovered, but we can confirm to our viewers that the raid took place sometime early this morning.
Right, Pooja, you continue to stay with us. Also joining us on the phone line is S. Prakash of the BJP. Many thanks for joining us on this live broadcast. Now, the Income Tax Department has raided the Eagleton Resort. This is the same resort where these 40 MLAs have been holed up, Congress MLAs. What do you have to say about these activities that are being carried out at this resort?
It's a coincidence that Congress MLAs are housed there and the IT department has raided the premises. They have been accused of encroaching about 75 acres of government land. And now they have been asked to pay upwards about 975 crores by the state government to regularize all those lands. It's a huge amount considering the financial status. And it's quite natural for the department to go into the details, how the payments will be made, what underhanding dealings have taken place from the resort. And I believe IT is looking into it. They suspect huge money may be involved in all this. It's a routine government department into the financial aspects of the Eagleton Resort. I don't see any political angle into it.
All right, but this also comes at a time when these Congress MLAs are already camping at that resort. So, at this point, since when have these investigations on this resort been happening?
No, the resort is accused of encroaching government land from over a decade. But about a month back, the government decided to regularize all the encroachment by imposing a fine of about 975 crores to the resort. It's a coincidence that the Gujarat MLAs are staying there. And the raid is on the resort, not MLAs who are staying there.
So this is a complete coincidence.
Yeah, I believe it's a coincidence. And the rest, it's the department has to answer it.